Hello, and welcome to the latest S&O IP webinar. I hope you're all well. Today, we're aiming for a focused look at patent landscape in Vietnam, no more than 15 minutes, and we will be covering the key areas we're most often asked about. So my name is Alison Statham. I'm the UK Client Director, and I'll be your moderator. I'd like to introduce you to our speaker, Yen PHAM, a senior IPO attorney with 15 years experience, who's going to be guiding us through today with the answers to your questions. Hello, Yen.
Thank you very much, Alison, for your introduction.
Thank you. So let's get started. So our first question today is, what can be patented in Vietnam and what different types of patents exists?
Thank you, Alison. So to answer your question, in Vietnam, an invention can be patented if it meets three conditions: novelty, an inventive step, and industrial applicability. However, there are certain subjects that are not considered patentable, such as the scientific discoveries, theories, or mathematical methods. The schemes, plans, rules, or methods for performing mental acts, training animals, playing games, or doing business. Computer programs, presentation of information, and solution of artistic characteristics. Also, methods for the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of human or animal disease, and plant varieties and animal breeds are also not patentable in Vietnam. In Vietnam, there are two types of patent available. First of all is a patent for invention. This is the highest standard of protection, and it requires all three conditions: the novelty, an inventive step, and the industrial applicability. In which the inventive step criterion means the invention cannot be obvious to a person skilled in the art. And the second type is the patent for utility solutions. This is a petty patent for technical solutions that are not highly innovative. It only requires two conditions: novelty and industrial applicability, and it doesn't require an inventive step. So in summary, the choice between the two depends on the level of innovation of the invention and your business needs.
Thank you. That's very interesting. So our next question we have is, how long does patent protection last in Vietnam?
In Vietnam, the duration of patent protection depends on the type of patent grant. For invention patent, this is valid for 20 years, count from the filing date of the application. This is the maximum terms and cannot be extended. To maintain its validity, the owner must pay the annuity fees annually. For the utility solution patent, this type of patent is valid for 10 years from the filing date. Similar to the invention patent, its validity is subject to the payment of annual maintenance fees.
Thank you very much for that. So on to our next question from a brand owner, actually. I have a foreign patent. Will it be enforceable in Vietnam?
So in short, my answer is no, because patents are territorial rights. This means the legal protection granted by a patent is only valid within the country or jurisdiction where it's verified and approved. So to enforce your patent rights in Vietnam, you must secure a patent in Vietnam first.
Thank you very much for that answer. Question number 4, how long is patent registration in Vietnam?
So in Vietnam, in practice, the average time frame from filing to registration of a patent is often 3 to 4 years. Is due to the current backlog of the IP office in Vietnam.
Gosh, okay. Thank you very much. So a company wants to speed up the patent examination process for its new products in Vietnam. Is there any feasible option that they can do to accelerate this process?
Thank you, Alison. This is a very interesting question. So in summary, in Vietnam, they may consider taking one or all of the following actions. First, they may request for an early publication. An invention patent application is normally published 19 months after its filing date. So an applicant can file a request for early publication, which will be carried out within 2 months from the request date. So this allows for the substantive examination to be requested and start earlier. The second option is to request for substantive examination early. The deadline for filing the request for substantive examination for a patent application in Vietnam is 42 months from the filing date. Filing is early is key to starting the examination process sooner. And last but not least, the third option is to request to speed up the examination process under a Patent Prosecution Highway or PPH program. The PPH, also known as the Accelerated Patent Examination Program, is a global initiative between intellectual property offices. Its main goal is to speed up patent examination and improve patent quality.
Picking up on the PPH programs, what are the benefits of PPH?
So in short, I think the PPH offers 5 significant advantages. The first one is as a faster patent granting process, which is the main benefit of the program. The second one is that it's leveraging existing examination results. It's because the PPH allows participating IP offices to utilize each other's search and examination results. So this helps avoid duplication of work, reduce the burden on examiners, and increase the efficiency of the global IP system. The third advantages is that it helps enhance the patent quality. Because as IP offices share experience and examination results, the examination process can become more thorough and accurate, leading to the granting of a higher quality patents. And the next one is that it's reduced cost for applicants. So although the PPH doesn't eliminate the filing fees in each country, it helps shorten the examination time and reducing the number of response to IP office notification. So it can help lower the consultation fees and other incidental costs that incur during the application process. And last but not least, is help promote global innovation by simplifying and accelerating the international patent protection process. So the PPH encourage innovators to file applications in more countries. So therefore, it foster the innovation on a global scale.
Thank you so much, Yen. And finally, is there a PPH program for the whole SEA region?
This is a very interesting question, Alison, and I'm so happy to say that my answer is yes. And it's called the Asian Patent Examination Cooperation Program or ASPEC program. So this is one of the most notable programs in the region, offering a mechanism for patent applicants to accelerate the examination of their patent application in a participating IP office of an Asian member state. So it includes Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and across Vietnam. So if an applicant has filed a patent application in Vietnam and a corresponding application in any of the 7 aforementioned Asian countries, they might be able to request an accelerated examination of their Vietnamese patent application. So this is done by leveraging the examination results from those other countries under these PPH programs. So I hope this answer clarifies your concerns.
Thank you so much for that, Yen. So that completes our roundup today of patent issues in Vietnam. Thank you so much. And if we haven't managed to cover your specific questions in this webinar, then feel free to contact myself or Yen directly, and we'll be more than happy to help. So thank you, Yen, once again.
Thank you very much, Alison.
And we thank you very much for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.
Yeah, me too. Thank you.